How long do personal injury suits last? Too long. Justice delayed is justice denied. It's an old adage. So personal injury cases can take a variety of length. We try to do things very fast in our firm. After a person's done treating, we get the medical records and bills. We figure out the wage loss damage, any other damage attendant to the claim. We write a letter to the claims adjuster called a demand letter, or requesting or giving them an opportunity to settle the case and see if they want to settle it. If they don't want to settle it, then we file suit and litigate the case. Litigating the case means you file a lawsuit, you engage in written discovery, you do depositions, you set a case for trial, you have your experts and your doctors, and then you try to set the case for trial and go to trial. Not every case that's filed goes to trial, and many cases settle before trial. But a lawsuit, that whole process, and I just gave you a very thumbnail sketch, and I can go into detail, and I usually do with my clients. That whole process usually takes from 3 to 6 months to up to 2 years. I tried a case last summer that was really old. It was a class action case. We'd been litigating the case against the state. Now we got a very large 9-figure verdict, but that took like 6 years. But we don't delay in our firm. We get cases to a demand stage right away. We get them in suit right away. We try to settle them right away, and we try to try them right away. So if the defendant never offered a dime to settle a case, and in a car crash case or a medical malpractice or slip and fall, premises liability, products liability, I'm going to get your case to trial within 2 years. We try to do it quicker. We try to settle quicker than that. But for in a year and a half or 2 years is the quickest I can probably do it with our current court system. We will try to settle your case within a few months, begin the conversation with the other side. If they come to us and say, hey, we want to pay y'all a bunch of money, then it's easy. The reality is that insurance companies delay and they try to fight and don't offer a lot of money. So that forces us to fight for our clients. I cannot tell you the amount of times I've had clients come in and say, I've never had to hire a lawyer. I don't want to hire a lawyer. And then they hire us, and then a year and a half later, when I pay them the settle amount that they get, they're very, very happy, and they say, I know I didn't even think I needed a lawyer when I came to you, but thank God I hired you, because we would not have been able to do this. The insurance company jerked us around the whole time. So that's the time frame. 6 months to 2 years between trial, between an injury and trial. However, we certainly try to settle it way before then and act as expeditiously as I can. There's a tension between trying to settle quick and getting a lot of money. The insurance company knows you know it, so they're going to offer you a little bit down here. The only time when you get that number up is when you keep pushing them, and that takes time. Thank you.